Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a keycard door. As you see in the video that's playing right now, you're going to be able to use different keycards to access different doors, and it's really easy to change too. If a button is pressed, you can change the keycard that's required. Alright, so let's hop right in. So as you guys have noticed, I already have a pretty fancy looking setup here. Nothing is already scripted already, so you're not missing out on anything. But the first thing we are going to do is actually create that key card. So let's hop in and just make a part here quick. And I'm going to change that here. And there you go. That looks pretty key cardy. So now we'll change it to say handle and make sure it is not anchored either. And now what we'll do is we'll bring this down. I'm just going to bring it into starter pack here. And then we're going to insert a tool. There we go. And I'm going to name this just keycard. Let's say keycard 60 or 56. There we go. And I'll toss that in here. And just to be sure, I'll set this to primary part of the handle. And then that should all be good. All right, now the first thing I want to do is just hop right in, and I'd suggest you guys do this too. Just test to see if you actually hold on to the handle. Should be pretty simple, pretty easy, but it always confuses me, so just as an FYI. All right, next thing we are going to do then is we're going to insert in a int value. So let's toss an int value in here. And I'm going to call this key card ID. So this is going to make it so that we are able to change what the key card is able to access with just a script. So I'm going to change this to, like the title that I have of it is 56, and that'll be its ID. All right, we should be all set with the key card then. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is head on over to this door. I'm going under the ground here. There we go. All right, I'm at my door. I made this a little fancy here, but no worries there. What we're going to do is we're going to insert a script into here. Insert object, script. There we go. And I'm going to name this door controller. And then we're also going to add in the same thing here. Nope. Not group as model. There we go. We're going to add an int value, and this is also going to be our keycard ID. And in this script, we're going to start by typing script.parent.touched::connect function part. Enter in there, and now we'll go ahead and type. Oh, I really hate this AI suggestion stuff. If part dot name equals handle, then local card ID equals part dot parent find first child, and this will be our key card ID. So again, this is just so that we are able to change if the door is able to be accessed by a specific key card or not. So now, if card ID, that means if it's found, then if card ID dot value equals script dot parent dot key card ID dot value, then, and that's just checking to see if the key card is matching the key card. And now we're just going to script out what's going to happen when the key card is scanned. So I'll just go ahead and type. We're going to make it so the door just disappears. So script.parent.transparency equals 1, script.parent.transparency, nope, not transparency, can collide, there we go, equals false. We're just going to wait. We'll give 2 seconds to walk through, and then we'll just go ahead and close it here. So just do the opposite here. So equals 0, script.parent.can collide equals true. All right, now let's just verify that our keycard IDs are the same. So good thing I did that because that is not correct. There we go. Card is 56. So now if I go ahead and hop into the game, Go ahead and walk on over with my key card, but first we'll try to walk through. Not working. All right, key card. There we go. We got through all the way over to the other side. Now we can just go ahead and walk on back, and there we go. Now this is really easy to duplicate as well. So as you guys saw in the intro, if we take the door now and we just duplicate it, and we'll move it all the way through to right there. And now I'm gonna make this door, this key card ID, this is gonna be door 57 now. So now you'll need key card 57 in order to get in. So let's try that. Get that all squared away here. 57, fantastic. And we'll just go ahead and press play. All right, so this first door is keycard 56. We try keycard 57, not working. Keycard 56, it works. Try to use keycard 56 to get in, not working. Keycard 57 lets us in. So really easy to duplicate and easy to change in the game as well. So if you guys enjoyed this, please feel free to give me a like, comment, subscribe, whatever floats your boat. I do have the script in the description below. I'm hoping to get a Discord channel released again here soon. And I'm also hoping to get back into consistent uploads. So we'll see what is happening there, but I greatly appreciate you guys watching and hope you guys keep scripting, doing those things.